Fellow Guyanese, good afternoon. I am Dr. Karen Gordon-Boyle, Deputy Chief Medical Officer, and I will be providing today's update on behalf of Minister Lawrence. First, I wish to salute all our nurses across Guyana on the occasion of International Nurses Day 2020. We do appreciate your outstanding contribution to our citizens, and more so now as you continue to battle COVID-19, rendering yeoman service to those affected by the coronavirus disease. We express a heartfelt thank you for your selfless efforts and join in solidarity with you to celebrate this day. The theme chosen by the International Council of Nurses, Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health, is quite fitting for us at this time because it's the nurses whose compassion and care is changing our outlook during this time of crisis from one of despair to one of hope. As the ministry's response efforts continue, your behavior is not encouraging. You continue to flout control measures and to put all at risk. Instead of our curve beginning to flatten, we still see an upward trajectory in positive coronavirus cases. In the last 24 hours, an additional 56 tests were done, bringing the total number of persons tested to 986, with 873 persons testing negative. Total number of confirmed cases is now 113. Our COVID-19 deaths remain at 10. 39 persons have since recovered. There are 6 persons in our COVID-19 ICU, with 1 intubated and 67 in institutional isolation. We must seriously think about reducing the transmission of this disease and containing the spread of the virus so that we all can return to normalcy. Isn't this our ultimate goal? Therefore, we ask you not only to abide by the rules, but those of you who have been in contact with positive cases, we ask you to come forward and provide information about your contacts as well, so that you and your loved one can avoid the risk of contracting the disease and possibly losing your life. Globally, according to WHO's report dated 11th of May 2020, there are 4,006,257 confirmed cases with 278,892 deaths. In the region of the Americas, where Guyana, Brazil, and the USA are located, please note that during the last 24 hours, the number of confirmed cases has increased to 1,702,451, with the number of deaths increasing to 101,874. A disaster is at our very back door, and unless we exercise caution and adhere to the control measures, the model figures of 1,400 and 20,000 can become a reality. Fellow Guyanese, you would have noticed that all our regions except 3 have reported confirmed cases. Kuyuni-Mazaruni, Region 7, has now reported its first confirmed case. This means that the coronavirus is slowly making its way across our entire country. But you know what? You can help arrest and put an end to the spread of this disease. I simply ask you, wash your hands, avoid touching your face, eyes, nose, and mouth, practice physical distancing, and adhere to the curfew. Please stay safe, Guyana. Good afternoon, and thank you.